learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka people of Tofan Township worship the three mountain kings, deities that originated from the Chaozhou region in China. During the Qing dynasty, many Hakka people migrated to Taiwan and established their homes in the mountains. The people built shrines for the three mountain kings and eventually built the Dahua Temple. The temple has been around for over 2 centuries, but has had a few facelifts over the years. Originally, it was a thatched hut, but over time, it has been renovated into the beautiful building that it is today. It's also dedicated to the fertility goddess Jusheng Nyang.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。This month of May, it's beautiful. Let's go out, go to 苗栗头份，这是我们这个月都要带大家去的地方。
超嘎，我家好就在那个头份的旁边而已。
哎呀，所以你熟悉啦，对不对？
对呀，当然啦。
Okay, Leo is the right person to introduce 头份。头份怎么说？
头份。
And 今天要到头份的哪里呢？
我们今天去拜拜好了。
Okay, let's do some prayers. 拜拜。
拜牙。
Okay, that's how you say it in Hakka, the prayers.
那我们来去那个三国王庙。
这个我们常常介绍，是客家文化里面的三山国王。
对啊。
It literally means the three mountain king, but this is a deity that the Hakka culture, the Hakka people actually pray to a lot. 三山国王。
三国
王。OK， 那这边哪一座庙，哪一个宫是值得去的呢？
这座庙的名字就叫太发宫。
Okay, that's the name of the temple where you can send your prayers to 三山国王。哇，这是叫做大化宫啊！
对啊，这座庙已经有200多年的历史嘞。
Whoa, 200 years of history？ 那不是到清 dynasty 吗？就是到清朝年代的时候就已经存在了。
对，清朝的时候呢，那个先民从那个大陆那边广东的潮州地区，把那个三山国王的神位带过来了，
请过来了。Okay, so it does date back to the last dynasty known as the Qing dynasty 200 some years ago, and that's when they escorted this deity, this god, over to Taiwan to be settled right here at 头份 at 大化宫。很好，这个非常棒的一个名胜古迹了啦。一定要去看一下了哦。
懂眼啊。
头份怎么说？
头份，
三山国王 ，that's the name of the god.
三山国王
and the name of the temple 大化宫。
太发宫
and there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.